New palette smell. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about the other version of that Wet n Wild palette, which is Coffee Cat. I said, you know what? I actually do want to do a look with this. So we're just gonna chat a little bit, do a little makeup, and get right into this cute little palette, this cute little scented palette. Before I get all the way into it though, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And also don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. Let's get right on into this look, cause like, this look was cute. Let's get right on into her. Alright y'all, I'm back with another mini girl chat. I actually want to talk about something that is related to the election and you know what we're doing now with it. Well, I'm putting on the skin tone concealer right now, guys. So I really wanted to talk about how after 4 years under, you know, their administration, which people who shall not be named on this channel, and think about it, I didn't realize a lot of things that I did since that person won 4 years ago. It's a lot of things that I just didn't pay attention to, and I just didn't agree. It's crazy to think that now that person is getting the boot, get on out. All the things come back to light. Like so many people still talking about they feel like they can breathe again. See how our upcoming president, see how he talks and compared to other ones. And it's just wild to see that. I'm like, yeah, I haven't paid attention. I mean, I don't watch too much of the news, period, because I just don't. I've never been that person to watch too much of it. For a long time, we just have not been able to like really breathe or to see someone not being just a rude little jerk, you know? All the shifty stuff that's coming out about this person, and it's just really, I mean, the stuff that we already knew, but it's just weird. Look at this look. And a lot of things we were actually kind of ungrateful for in the future now that we had that president, you know, for 4 years, 4 freaking long years. I was gonna say, I feel like after this, there's gonna be a lot of people going to jail. I can feel it. That some stuff is just too shifty. Going with the Morphe concealer, y'all. I just don't understand someone cannot pay their taxes. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't know how you can not pay your taxes and get to critique some other people. And how did you even get in there? Not paying taxes. Oh, God, that shows how easy that is. Getting into the White House. Does it feel like a blur to you? Do you feel like you're finally waking back up after 4 years under that administration? Wait, I feel like people were more rude, period, even past the political. I just feel like people were more, I mean, yes, COVID and people losing family members and some people maybe, you know, been sick themselves. And I understand that, but it just feels like a lot more people were just ruder and just, I don't know, it just seemed more vicious. It just felt more like that was the norm because someone else is showing other people we could be that too. And it just so negative, so negative. I hated that. So that's the end of my mini little girl chat. Back to the tutorial. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on the mini girl chat. So I'm going to start off by saying this guy actually is usually, I believe, $8.99. I got it on sale at Ulta for like $5, y'all. It's like I have to get it. So with this palette, you do get 16 colors, I believe. I kind of wanted to wait to do a look with this until it's November-ish because I felt like it was still too early when it did come out the first time. But look at this palette, y'all. Look at her. This one's a nice neutral warm palette. Nothing too crazy about it, but it is still like a classic kind of layout of color, especially for the fall time. So you guys seen I played with a lot of different shimmers and mattes and went back and forth with a lot of different colors. My favorite color out of it, which you guys probably can assume, it is going to be this one right here. Free Refills is my favorite. It has that mustard brownish color. So it's like a washed, well, not washed out, but like a mustardy brown. I love those colors. That's why I use on the back there. Also too, guys, I know I wanted to do 2 different looks. So I did do like the first video. Go check out my other WetnWild, I believe it was Ice Cream Bee. Go check out that palette tutorial review and everything. On this side, I ended up using my skin tone concealer and then my Morphe white base on this side. So out of each side, in my opinion, I feel like the skin tone one works better. Like, look at that one. I feel like it just glides better. This one, I feel like it's this color. That color actually did good on both sides. So did the reds that I use. Let's see. Your Best Shot and Hug and a Mug. So Your Best Shot and then Hug and a Mug down here. Those reds look the same on both sides in my opinion. I feel like the darker red that I use, that one is going to be Mean Muggin'. That one works really, really good on the Morphe white base though. Like I can still see it. But I feel like the skin tone one, in my opinion, it won. I just prefer it more. That's just my opinion. Ice Cream Bee versus the Coffee Cat. I have to admit, Ice Cream Bee, the scent is cute. It's okay, but this scent is very, very strong, y'all, in this palette. It's very strong. And woo, that's like that real straight black coffee. It's some strong stuff. I was like, man, I thought anything gonna irritate my eyes, but no, don't irritate at all. I don't know what kind of extract they use, but they did something. I think the mattes are the showstoppers in this palette. I think any other things in it, like the shimmers, they're okay. I mean, they did their job. They are pigmented, but I'm not really too stunned by palette color stories like this. They're a classic for a reason. You know, it's gonna look good on everyone. But is it worth the $5 I got on sale, even $8.99? Yes, it definitely is worth it. The coffee smell, I like the smell in this palette better than Ice Cream Bee though. This one's more powerful. And it smells just so fresh and early morning. Like, can you imagine using this and you're waking up early in the morning and just putting this on? It's like, it'll wake you up before you actually do get your cup of joe, you know what I'm saying? And I think this look came out really pretty. I'm glad that I did get to try this out. I feel like the scent is better. In the color story, it is more realistic for everyone versus Ice Cream Bee. Thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and tutorial and mini girl chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me which palette you like more, Ice Cream Bee or Miss Coffee Cat. And also don't forget to hit that notification button so whenever I upload these videos, you can catch them. So again, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye. Bye y'all, bye.